Good morning, students. In the previous session, we studied about the how to draw development plan and the elevation part, right? Only and after also we study about the marginal lines and nameplate of your drawing sheet, also about the node direction and scale. Now the another part, that is your section plan, we have to see, right? So let's go for the section plan. Before that, I will show you which section you have to draw. So this is a development plan of 1 BHK, which is having the hall of 6 into 4 meter, kitchen 4 by 4 meter, then bedroom 4.8 into 3, passage, the basin, then WC and the bath, and having the windows, two windows in the hall, two windows in the bed, two windows in the kitchen, and ventilators in the bath and the WC, right? So there is a section line given in this picture, that is A. This is section line started, and this direction means you have to see from this way, your eyes are from this way, right? So this section line is going through this staircase, after that door, after that wall, after that directly you have to shift here, and from this half window is seeing, after that going forward the wall, then wall cutting is there, then you're going, then this ventilator is showing, and the WC is showing, after that bath, after that wall cutting, and here end with the B in this direction only, right? So this is section line in which you have to clear that which section you have to draw, right? And section line must pass through the wall, after that staircase, WC and bath, and door and window. So this is simple plan, so you have to understand how to draw, right? So staircase is passing, door is passing, wall is passing, WC and bath is passing, only window is not passing. So you can show that one also, but I am not giving that part. After that, this is elevation part, which is drawn from this development plan. So from the above picture, you see that the lines are sketched from this development plan to know their width, so that you can directly get the width of any part of your elevation part. So just see that, say the ground level of 0.0 meter, then floor level 0.6 meter, then lintel level 2.1 meter, then your chajja portion, after that slab level and parapet level. So this level are given here, and you have to also give this level in your elevation part, right? After that, from this elevation part, and with the help of development plan dimensions, you have to draw the sectional plan, right? So let's see how to draw the section plan. But before that, drawing section plan, we have to transfer all the levels to the section plan, that is ground level, floor level, lintel level, slab level, and the parapet level. So section means what? You have to cut one part, and after cutting, how it will look, you have to draw that part in the section plan, right? So before going through the section plan by this sectional line, you have to just transfer the level of the elevation to the section plan. So I am just transferring this level. With a faint line. This staircase level also, so that if it is cutting, you can show their riser correctly. You are not any requirement of taking the dimensions. It is not on the not up to the scale, so don't see that part. After that, this C level you have to transfer. If any window is cutting, then this line will be useful. After that, lintel level. After that, chhajja portion. After that, slab level. You have to pass or transfer, and after that, parapet level. Okay, so all levels are passed. Right now, all levels are transferred. Right, so all the levels are there. That is your parapet level, then slab level, then lintel level, then floor level, and then a ground level. Right, all the levels are there. Right, now we have to see the section which is passing. So section line is going through, first of all, through the this staircase. Right, so this staircase is above the ground level, but below the ground level there will be something in the cutting section will arise. Okay, so suppose this is a frame structure, then here if any column is there, then column having footing also, so you have to draw the footing in your plan also, so that it will show the idea below the ground level. So first of all, below ground, this is ground level, so below ground level you have to show the footing also of this column. If there will be column, then you have to above the ground